Alright, so I'm gonna do some of these CSWA practice problems. So this is if you want to get the SolidWorks, I think it's called SolidWorks Associates diploma. You go through these like practice problems to get you some practice on the SolidWorks. I don't claim to know the best way to do it. It's just kind of the way that is easy for me to get some of these things done. And hopefully along the way I might be able to show you some faster ways or different ways of thinking about these things. I'm not an expert. I only got a CSWA, but I've been CADing for a while. So, alright, let's get started. So we're going to go to File, and we're going to create new part. Select OK. Alright, so I want to create all of this in one sketch. So I'll do extrude boss base just because I know I'm going to wind up extruding it, and then I'm going to make it on my front plane. And then it looks like our axis is down here on the bottom left, so that's where I'm going to start off from. I'm just going to make like rough lines here. So just out to here, straight line, then go up, then go in, then go in, up, then in, then up again, then here, then go up, and then out to this line, and then I'm going to go down. Now, I think it tells you here, yeah, so our units should have been millimeters, and grams, and seconds. I have my SolidWorks in inch, pounds, seconds, so it's going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to call these inches just for the sake of this, but make sure that if you are working on this and you change to the correct units, I can show you in a different video how to do that if you don't know how to. So let's just start smart dimensioning. So the bottom is going to be 60. So we'll do 60, enter. And it goes up 30, so we'll go 30. And then from this line to this line is 20, so from here to here is 20. And then from here to here is 12, so that's from here to here, that is 12. And then this whole thing is 75. And then, let's see, where are we missing something? I think that's it. So the next thing we need to do is get our widths. So we can get our widths from up here. So from here to here is 20. Then it looks like from there to there it's 12. So that's from here to here. That is 12. And then from here to here is also 12. Alright, so that is our basic shape. I see that is extruded differently from here to here, so I want to make sure that this line is also in there, so then I can just select the same sketch to extrude the different contours. So I'm just going to create a line going through here, so from here to here. Okay, can exit that. And all of this is fully defined, which is how we want it. Let's add this circle to here too. So it's not quite centered, right? This is 30, so 30, it would have been 15 if it was centered. So just make sure you don't select the center here and put it on the center, because it'll constrain it to that. Just pick any random space here. Have it not be constrained to anything. And so smart dimension from here to here, that's 16. And then from here to here, that is also 16. And then this is 12. Alright, so there we have our full sketch. So we're going to exit the smart dimension, exit the sketch, and now it's going to ask us which contours we want to select. So we want to select this one, and we want to extrude it out 28 inches or 28 millimeters on the correct and then that'll be it. So we check mark that. Now I'm doing it this way so I can show you how to go back into the sketch. We're going to do another extrude boss base. So then here on your parts tree, just select that same sketch you were working on. It brings up that same one. Now I'm going to select this other contour, and I'm going to make this one 20. And then you check mark, and then this is your part. So this is that exact same part that they have there. And yeah, fully dimensioned, fully defined. Alright, so this one should take you 5 minutes to get it done. There's probably faster ways than what I did here, and also probably more challenging ways. But yeah, tells you should use lines, rectangles, circles. So we did basically lines and circles, but yeah, rectangles, you could have done this as a rectangle and extruded that. But yeah, hope that helped. All right, bye.